Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you can open the app, move to the next step, and here you will need to grant two permissions to the app. First one is overlay permission. Click grant. From here allow the display over other apps and move back. Notification permission. Locate NotifyBuddy and enable it right here, then allow. Go back. And here's the third option, which is battery optimization, but you don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and then press OK. From here our app is ready and we can set up how the LED lamp will work. First there's this tab right here and there's user, system, active and settings. In the user, you can select the apps to get this custom LED lamp notifications. So for me, it's gonna be Netflix. You can, of course, select any of this. In the system, you can find all of the system apps, the same as in user, but they are bound to your system. In the active, you can see all active apps that you've just activated for the custom LED lamp notifications. And in the settings, you're able to customize the LED lamp and how it's gonna look like. The first thing is to customize the time between blinking and all the stuff like that. Next thing is to change the placement on the screen, shape, color or whatever you want. There's a lot of customization options, but some of them are locked behind the premium version of the app. So after the LED lamp is ready, we can press the test button and that's how the LED lamp will look like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.